Hi, welcome. I'd like to talk a little bit about my sewing goals. I've been sewing for a few years now, and last summer I took a sewing class at Mood here in Los Angeles, where I made my first dress. I sewed in pockets and an invisible zipper and lining, and everything was so challenging, and so I'd like to set some goals to challenge myself in my upcoming projects. Firstly, I'd like to start working with new materials. Most of my projects up until now have been with cottons and linens, which are fantastic, and I love working with them and I love wearing them. But I'd like to expand my horizons and work with luxurious materials like silks and wool and velvet. I have a few ideas for these materials: silk slips, warm woolen trousers, and too many ideas for velvet to count. So I really need to bring these projects to fruition. Most of the clothes I've made have been looser fitting dresses and shirts. I want to learn how to properly fit garments that suit my body. I don't have difficulty finding clothes that fit me in the regular mall shops, but I want to learn how to alter and tailor and make clothes fit me better. I plan to make a custom mannequin from Bootstrap Patterns, so let me know if you would like to see a video on me constructing that. I am so inspired by vintage fashion, especially of the 20s and 30s. I think the silhouettes of these eras would fit in so well with my existing wardrobe, and I'd love the challenge of constructing historical garments. I think this particular goal can build on the learnings from my previous goals. I'm so excited to get started. I have a huge Etsy wish list full of patterns, and I already have my first one picked out. I'm working towards making my projects beautiful from the inside to the outside. That started with zigzagging the edges of my fabric so they don't fray, and really prolong the life of the clothes that I make. My last project, I turned in the seams so that the elastic wouldn't rub against my body, but more importantly, wouldn't tangle in the wash. There are a whole host of finishing techniques out there that I'd really like to explore. Most importantly, I want to make things that I want to wear and use. I'm a dress girl, but I want to make a fabulous pair of trousers. This summer, I donated every single pair of shorts that I own so that I could make the most perfect pair of shorts. I'm really trying to make a wardrobe that suits me. What are your project goals, sewing or otherwise? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.